Alright, welcome to the video. My name is Shah and this is tutorial number 6, a random forest with SciKit Learn and Python. So in the last video, that is part 5, we did this the data set and we did a simple machine learning algorithm to predict whether the person will get a credit or not. And we got a pretty good accuracy, about 98% or 99%. That's amazing. Now let's try the random forest method. So to do the random forest, we have to import a model, a library from SciKit Learn. So we will say from sklearn eneb ensemble import random forest classifier. To do random forest, it's pretty easy. Right, we already have done the train test split, so make sure to watch my last video, right? So I'm not gonna repeat that again. So the simple, so we're gonna say random forest classifier, hit enter, the classifier is created. Now we need to do is model.fit. We need to fit the data, right? So we already had the X train excuse me, and we can say the Y train. We can run that, so our model is created. Now we need to fit the model, so we can say model.fit and simply X test. Now if you, what happened? Object has no attribute for it has to be fit, of course. Again, what's going on today? Fit, really? Fit is missing one required positional argument. Why? Okay. So the way I think it has to be for the random forest. Sorry, just have a small change, the syntax change, right? So model.fit, and for the testing we have model.predict, not model.fit. All right. So man, I think I'm sleepy. I already did model.fit, so why am I doing it again? So of course it's gonna give me error. Happens all the time. So we need to say model.predict, model.predict. We can give our X test. And here we have the predictions, right? Now we want to see how good or bad it is, the model is. So I can print the model, the prediction. Now we can say confusion matrix and simply give the Y test, the label that we were having and what it predicted. This is the confusion matrix. We can print classification report as well. You know what, let's do this classification report and Y test, and we want to give preds, right? Remember that. So again, we have about 98 to 99% accuracy, which is excellent. I mean, this is really very excellent. So this is tutorial number 6, a random forest, and tutorial number 7, we would be doing an object-oriented approach of both the code that I just mentioned. So thank you for watching. This is Shah. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment, and would be very happy to answer all of them. So I would stop the video right here.